If you're highly capable but still hesitating, this video isn't here to push you. It's here to explain what's actually happening. There's a confidence gap that shows up specifically for smart, high achieving women, and it has nothing to do with self belief. Hi, I'm Lisa. I help high performing corporate women build online businesses without blowing up their lives, forcing confidence, or abandoning the security they've worked hard to build. And in this video, I want to unpack the confidence gap, why capable women wait longer than they need to, and how to move forward without pretending to feel ready. The confidence gap isn't about believing you can do it. It's about believing you should be fully prepared before you begin. Smart women are trained to be responsible, not reckless, and responsibility often gets mislabeled as hesitation. Here's what's actually happening beneath the surface. You see the complexity others ignore. You don't want to overpromise or underdeliver. You understand the cause of mistakes. So instead of moving prematurely, you pause. That pause isn't fear, it's discernment. But here's where discernment quietly turns into delay. You start believing, I'll move when I'm more confident. I'll start once I'm clearer. I'll act when it feels easier. And confidence never arrives because confidence is built through motion, not before it. The goal isn't to feel confident, the goal is to feel safe enough to take the next step. And safety comes from structure, not hype. This is why so many capable women thrive when they stop trying to leap and start designing transitions. If you've been thinking, why do I know or why do I know I'm capable but still feel stuck? Stay with me because in the next phase, I'll show you how progress can look strategic, steady, and grounded, not dramatic. If you recognize yourself here, the next video reframes the side hustle phase and why it's not a step backward, but a strategic step forward when done intentionally. Subscribe if you're building with clarity instead of pressure. Month 2 starts there.